Hi, my name is Prasanjit and I work for BMC Atrium Orchestrator product. Today, I would like to talk about how you can increase the memory allocated to your BAO peers. In this video, we'll be covering the steps for both the Windows as well as Unix-based systems. Let's get started. BAO is a memory-intensive application, and based on your use cases, complexity, and the amount of data your workflow carries, the peer may require more memory to carry out the workflow execution smoothly. So, it is always necessary to allocate sufficient memory to your peers for successful job processing and to avoid any peer crash. The memory limits in BAO are controlled by the below two parameters, XMS and XMX. The flag XMS specifies the initial memory allocation pool, while the XMX specifies the maximum memory allocated to the Java virtual machine. Out of the box, below are the default peer memory settings for your BAO peers. One thing to make note of is never allocate more than 50% of your physical memory to your BAO peers. Let's do a quick demo. This is my CDP machine. At first, we'll see how much memory is allocated to the CDP peer. To check this, log into the Grid Manager. Next, in the address bar, remove everything after BAO CDP and type in console. Hit enter. Now we can see the CDP memory in this section. Here, the total memory represents the XMS value and the maximum memory is the XMX value. Now let's see how we can increase these values. Go to the CDP directory, go to Tomcat and bin directory. Open this location in command prompt. Now type in tomcat7w.exe followed by two forward slash. Then ES. Here ES stands for edit service. Put another forward slash, and now let's go to the services console. Right click the peer service for which you want to change the memory values. Go to properties and copy this service name. Let's go back to the command prompt, paste the service name over here and hit enter. This brings up the peer properties. Go to the Java tab and over here we can see the initial and the maximum memory pool. You can leave the initial memory pool as it is, and for the purpose of this video, I'll increase the maximum pool to 2 GB, which is 2048 MBs. Click apply, hit OK, and now let's restart the CDP service. Now give it a minute for the CDP components to come online. Now let's go to the CDP console. Now, here you can see that we have successfully increased the maximum allocated memory for the CDP peer. Now let's see from where we can increase the memory setting for a peer running on a Unix machine. This is a Linux CDP machine. Let's log into the server. Once we are logged in, navigate to the CDP install directory. Go to the bin directory. On a Linux server, the peer properties are controlled by the server.sh file. This one over here. Let's open the server.sh file to locate the parameters to increase the peer memory. Over here, we can see the XMS as well as the XMX parameters. You can update these values depending upon how much memory you want to allocate to the peer. After making the changes, you simply need to save the file and restart the peer services and you're good to go. I hope you found this video informative. Please stay tuned for more Atrium Orchestrator videos.